How to mark your YouTube video as made for kids. So hey guys, if you want to mark your YouTube video as a made for kid video, so here you can see that currently I have opened up my YouTube account in my web browser. So the first thing we need to do is head on to the YouTube studio. So to head on to the YouTube studio, you need to click onto the profile picture at the top right corner of your screen. Then from these options, simply choose the YouTube studio option. This will lead us to the YouTube studio. Then under the YouTube studio, we will find that particular video on for which you want to be marked it as made for kids. So to do this, click onto the content tab at the left, and this will open up all of the videos that you have published till now. So for example, let's say I want this particular video to be marked as kids. So what I can do is hover my cursor over it and click onto this details button with a pencil icon. Once you have clicked over here, you can see that it has opened the video details page. Now simply scroll down. You can see this section of audience. This video is set to not made for kids. This is said by me. So if you want this video to be set as it is made for kids, you need to choose the first option, that is yes, it is made for kids. So this video will now be specifically redirected to the YouTube's kids application as well, and the audience of this particular video will be targeted as children. So once you have chosen this option, simply click onto this save button and your changes will be saved. So that's how easy it is to mark any video which is made for kids. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button. Do tell us in the comments if it worked for you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.